Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. We begin with some cricket news as the West Indies will be hoping to put a run of 5 consecutive one-day series defeats behind them when they meet Pakistan in the deciding contest of their 3-match series at Providence in Guyana on Tuesday. The Caribbean side has not won an ODI series since August 2014, but could break that drought in this series against Pakistan, which is locked at 1-1. And despite losing the second match by 74 runs, assistant coach Toby Radford believes the team can pull off the win come Tuesday. He spoke after Sunday's encounter.
He was persuaded not to review by his captain.
Look, everyone's got to be up for that. We were up for it today and probably disappointed. We wanted to finish the series today, but that's not to be. We come back very strong on Tuesday. It's a huge game for us. We want to win a series against them. We obviously had a great performance 2 days ago, and we want to do that again. And we believe we can do it. We've got the quality here to do it, but we've got to really dig deep, come back and firing on all cylinders.
Now, leg spinner Damien Jacobs is the only Jamaican named to a West Indies President's 11 side to face the Pakistanis in a 3-day warm-up match starting on Saturday at the Trelawney Stadium. The side will be captained by Barbadian Shamar Brooks, with Guyanese Vishal Singh as his deputy. Inform Leeward Islands all-rounder Rakeem Cornwall is also part of the unit, as is Karen Powell, who is involved in the ongoing ODI series against Pakistan.